No, girl, anything. No, like I kind of have a matcha issue, just a small one. Not anything magical. Girl, you wanna stop? I got a big ego. I want to die in a grocery store. Those innocent eyes.
Bitch, took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on, little sip. Took a little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip. Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden, took a little dip, apple juice falling from her lips, took a little sip on, little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip. Little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip. Little sip, took a little sip, little sip, took a little sip, little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip, took a little sip.
Beautiful people, hello! If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley. If you've been here before, family, you already know what's going on. Make sure you are subscribed. Happy Saturday, October 30th. I started my first week at my biotech company, just finished that off. It was all last week. And now I'm getting ready to celebrate a friend of mine. I consider certain friends as sisters to me. I guess all my friends though, as sisters to me. And this one is like my soul sister. And she got an amazing job. She manifested getting that job and wanting to move out the country. So she is Sudanese. She is moving back to Sudan. I am so sad to see her go. I'm not going to get teary-eyed. We are in Berkeley, California. We are about to go to an amazing place called Eggy's. It's all over TikTok. We're going to give it a try. I'm so excited to get in here, celebrate her, try this amazing food. We are going to stop talking. I'm going to make sure I don't have water dripping down my face. And we just about to get into this vlog, so I hope you guys are ready for this amazing Saturday together. Let's get in here, let's celebrate our girl, let's have a great time with a beautiful woman, and yeah, that's how we gonna go. So let's go, guys. Water, please. Water? Water, please. Just for her. Oh! Now you tell me. That's why he hates me.
You never asked.
Some days are really you never told me.
It's just so we about to take. Oh, your burgers. I couldn't even.
Missing that burger.
Yeah, of course the burger would take a minute.
Some of them actually get locked up, and that's what I thought, oh.
What the hell you mean locked up?
Just the hair products?
No, girl, everything.
No,
We went to the men's section, girl. They had the shaving kits and stuff. And Caleb like, what?
didn't
The
see
shaving
that.
kits locked up.
There.
Ain't nobody there.
1 week, because I go all the time. Okay, guys. Okay, 1 week it was fine, and I was like really happy going there because I honestly I felt like I found my safe haven finally because I was going to the ghetto ass school in Oakland every everything.
So
was
sorry to
locked
hear
up.
about that.
And I was like, my mind was locked up. Like I was like, I feel like I'm being like everything was locked up
Not
all
the
the
mind was
time.
locked
Like
up.
I feel like I'm being like restricted from everything. I'm so mad. And so like when I found the Alameda one, I felt like I was free. Like I was like, wow. And then the next day I went and everything was locked up.
Don't get my nails.
Wow. Hi. I did not record as much as I wanted to with you guys. We walked around after we had brunch and we went to this little plat place. They gave me a succulent. Tell me why. Taking off my jacket and stuff, just knocked over the succulent and now it's like a mess on my car, like seat. And I'm about to clean this mess up right now. Yes, I got a portable vacuum cleaner up in my car and I'm about to vacuum the dirt because y'all, it's on my seat. Ooh, I've never used like this part of it. You see, baby. One thing about it, two things for sure. I love it here. I did my damn thing. Just got done seeing my friend. Met a new friend too. I feel like when you're just friends with like cool people, they attract cool people and then we're just all one big group of cool people, and that's how it was. So very happy about that. But my SIM card got full, y'all. Finally deleted stuff and I was like, people ain't been with me all day because my SIM card got full. Then we were talking about different things, etc, etc. This BMW is so close to me. Why did you back all the way up on my damn car? So if you guys have never had this one place, it's called Zachary's Pizza. It is so bomb, you guys. The food is like chef's kiss. Caleb is currently getting us food from there, but in the meantime we are about to head home. I've been in Berkeley since 12:30. It's 6:12, so I've been here for almost 6 hours. We're gonna listen to music and head home together. Let's go. Ain't nobody put it down like me though. Why you playing? Girl, you know, with all this and all this. Girl, you wanna stuff, I got a big ego. We're just hanging around, burning it down, sipping on some cold Jack Daniels.
Few moments later.
Beautiful people, we are home. I'm in my bathroom. I have so much stuff to clean up. So you know how I used to do Friday resets, basically clean up the whole house. So with my new work schedule, Caleb pretty much did that already.
And my man, thank you to my man.
It's like 7:15 p.m. I was like, okay, well before I shower, maybe I should clean up the bathroom. That's the last part of the house that needs to be cleaned. Usually he leaves that for me to clean. I just don't think you guys want to see me clean my bathroom. It's not anything magical. But what I will say is, like, don't have a shower filter, what are you doing? I got this one from Amazon. This is a big block. You switch it every 6 months. Love it. Really helps with skin, your hair texture, etc. And then this one also, we also got this one from Amazon. One of my favorites too. Really helps clean the sink too because I get to spray it all around. Very easy to change this filter. You know too. I know this doesn't look the best. It's funny because when I record I try to hide this sometimes, but you literally just pull this off. I don't want to do it because, you know, I'm not ready to change it. You pull this off. You will know when this is ready because you see how this kind of has power still. This will get so weak and you'll be like barely nothing's coming out because it's hard to filter it all the way through. So you'll know when it's time for this guy. But yeah, you don't have filters, get filters. They really help with your skin and making sure everything is very fresh, clean for you. Both off Amazon. I'll link them below just in case you guys are interested in seeing these bad boys in action. But yeah, they're my favorites. I just never really showed you guys before. Happy October, you guys. Ah! I'm currently getting gas. Then we are heading up to San Francisco. And I'm about to go to church with my mom and dad. It is first Sunday. It is communion day, guys, for us Christians. The pump just stopped. I'm gonna see you guys at church. I'm gonna grab this pump and we going, y'all. We just gonna roll up there.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
When I think about the Lord, how He picked me up, turned
very wealthy city.
Or lemonade, right?
The pumpkin and the ghost. The ghost. You know what he reminds me of? This gives the Goofy movie like outfit-ish. The skater.
Oh, they have the large too. Look this for November. So big.
It is. On the road again. God. You want to kiss it? I'll kiss it after, okay? You don't want to get germs. That better? Okay. Picking up the birthday girl's food. We got Eleanor Hawaiian barbecue ready. Now we're getting her round table. Pizzas.
I got it made in is it full? Yeah, and balls. So the bottom is for y'all and another one in. Don't let it go. Oh my God.
I hope the slide is immaculate. I just thought about the Hawaii's Costco. Maybe we finally got a good strawberry season. Yes, please. Hi, sweetheart.
Go back to.
You up, get you in the car. Beautiful people, hello. It is Sunday, October 8th. It is approximately 1:15 p.m. Happy Sunday reset, guys. So if you don't know, never been to my channel, my name is Ashley. If you've been here before, family, you know what's going on. Make sure you are subscribed. I missed you guys. Life has been busy, okay? I'm at a new biotech company, getting used to that, figuring out my team. They already got so much petty stuff going on at my team, y'all. I'm just praying for them people. We gotta get it together. But you guys should have saw already came from Costco, Safeway. I'm debating if I want to go to TJ's and grab my matcha real quick. I don't know, guys. I kind of have a matcha issue, just a small one. I'm debating if I want to do that. I'm not sure yet. But on today's reset, I am getting back to having a super strict, usually I don't say diet, like whatever I meal prep and stuff, I never say diet. Baby, this is like a diet. It is pretty, get them abs together. But with that being said, we are doing a meal prep today. I like to do all 5 days if possible so I can just grab and go. I was gonna tell y'all real quick, I saved a fly today. Like a dookie fly too. Oh my gosh, he was stuck, guys. I went to the butcher in Safeway to go get some salmon and I saw this fly and I was like, hey little cootie, what you doing there? And I was like, oh my God, he's so bold because he's not flying away. Y'all, he wasn't flying away because he had a leg that was dragging. I was like, oh honey. So I'm like, it's probably broken or wet. So I was finally able to like get him on like one of those plastic wraps you put your fruit or veggies in. And as soon as we got outside and I got him like flat on a garbage can, he flew off. And I was like, oh yay honey. I was like, I don't want you to die here. I wouldn't want to die in a grocery store and by the butcher, and it's so cold. He was climbing on like the cold coverings. I'm like, baby, that's not gonna help your leg dry either. I was like, oh honey. And I know this butcher was just like, what the hell? Oh, that's hella funny. And I know this butcher was just like, we are back. We had a little bit of Taco Bell. Yep, I know, so bad. Oh my God. I am in my kitchen now. I'm about to meal prep. I'm meal prepping for 5 days. I'm not sure if it's going to be a montage or how it's going to come out, but I will explain as much as I can to you guys. I'm going to get started because it's already 3:24 p.m. I want to be done by like 5 hopefully so that my husband can start cooking our food. So let's get to it and get in the kitchen. I'm going to start with my carbs first and then green beans, veggies, and then finally the meat.